Before we begin, it's important to understand why connecting Google My Business to your Squarespace website matters. When you link both platforms correctly, you help Google verify your business information, improve your online visibility, and make it easier for customers to find your website directly from Google Search and Google Maps. This also boosts SEO, which increases your chances of appearing in local search results. Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a connection between Google My Business, which is going to be a place where you are going to have all of the necessary information about your business on Google, and also the Squarespace website that you have. Before you start, make sure your business has already been verified on Google My Business. Verified listings get higher visibility and allow you to connect features more smoothly across different platforms. We're going to sit over here or head over google.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on this place. So we're going to type in My Business. It is going to show you here how to edit your profile, set up the reviews, photos of your business, post, whatever. At this stage, you can also double check that your contact info, business hours, and categories are correct, because consistent information across Google and your website improves your ranking and builds trust with customers. And then you're going to head over the website. So I click on Edit on the website, as you can see, and normally it is going to be here. Where is it? Basically, we are going to only add the website, which is going to be here. As you can see, this is .space. So this is going to be a website. Adding your website URL ensures that people searching for your business can visit your official site with one click. This helps increase traffic and can even lead to more bookings, sales, or inquiries. Now we are going to have or head over to Squarespace. We're going to have our website set up. We can go and head over to Settings and then Third-Party Tools. Click on Connected Accounts. Add an account. Add the Search Console or Google Search Console first. Connecting Google Search Console is extremely helpful because it allows Google to index your website faster, track performance, and detect any issues with your pages. It also helps Squarespace sync your website information with Google more effectively. After that, after you have set up this, you're going to only have the website, let's say guide. Or you can go ahead and have your website from here, from the top, and head over here. Paste in your website, just like that. Click on Save, and they are going to be connected. There is no other way to connect the platforms together other than that. So it is going to only lead the visitors from your Google business to your website on Squarespace. To make sure everything is working properly, you can search for your business name on Google a few hours later to confirm that your website link appears on your Google business profile. Sometimes it updates instantly, while in other cases, it may take up to 48 hours. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.